Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix fast draining battery Android. If your Android device's battery is draining too quickly, there are several potential causes and solutions. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix a fast draining battery on Android. First method, check battery usage. Review which apps are consuming the most battery. Go to Settings, Battery Usage section. Identify any apps that are using excessive battery and consider limiting by tapping on it. Then toggle on, then choose to put to sleep, or if you are not going to use this app for a long period of time, choose put in deep sleep or uninstalling them. Next method, reduce screen brightness. The display is often the biggest battery drain. Reducing brightness can help. Go to Settings, Display, Brightness, and reduce it. You can also enable adaptive brightness to automatically adjust based on ambient light. Another method, turn off unused connectivity features. Disable features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and mobile data when not in use. You can quickly toggle these off from the notification shade or via Settings, Connections. Another method, use battery saver mode. Enable battery saver to limit background processes and conserve battery. Go to Settings, Battery Saver, and turn it on. Another method, disable Always On Display or lock screen widgets. If your phone is an always on display, it can drain the battery even when it's not in use. Go to Settings, Notification, Lock Screen Notification, and turn it off. Also consider disabling lock screen widgets or notifications. Next method, lower screen timeout. Reducing the screen timeout settings can save battery by turning off the display faster when not in use. Go to Settings, Display, Screen Timeout, and set it to a lower value, such as 30 seconds. Another method, turn off location services when not needed. GPS can consume a lot of battery power, especially when used by multiple apps. Go to Settings, Location, and toggle off Use Location when it's not needed. You can also limit location accuracy by selecting Battery Saving Mode. Another method, disable Auto-sync for apps. Constant syncing of apps like email or social media can drain battery life. Go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Manage Accounts, and disable Auto-sync. Next method, turn off unnecessary animations. Reducing or disabling animations can help improve battery life. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Vision Enhancement, and turn on Reduce Animation. Another method, use dark mode. If your phone is an OLED or AMOLED screen, then choose Dark for dark mode. Can save battery by turning off pixels for black colors. Go to the Settings, Display, Dark Theme, and enable it. Another method, avoid overheating. Excessive heat can damage the battery and cause it to drain faster. Avoid using your phone in direct sunlight or while charging, and remove it from any bulky cases that trap heat. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.